Hi, it's Chris here from TechTablets.com. I have the Onda V116w in front of me here. This is a dual boot tablet. I had some requests to see whether an external 2.5 drive would run off the USB without needing extra power or anything. Would it power it correctly? I can confirm that yes, this is my Toshiba 1TB basics 2.5 inch drive, and it's running off the port without any issues. It's fine. There's no problem. So that's really good. And another thing was battery life. Well, you're looking here, according to Battery Bar Pro, around 5 to 6 hours. I am actually running the driver course, so that's probably affecting that. It's saying full run time 6 hours there since I started running this. I've got 25 minutes on the clock there when I started around 97 or 8%. I'm just running a game here in the background. I just thought to show you a bit of gaming. This is Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 that I've been running on the Teclast X98 Air 3G and the Onda 919V. To show you how it runs, just using a Bluetooth keyboard. This is a Logitech keyboard that really works quite well with the tablet. You can see there the size of it seems to suit the 11.6 inch tablet, and using a Bluetooth mouse as well. So the case here doubles as a stand. Again, perfect size really for this kind of tablet. It almost looks like it was made for it. So that's what I'm controlling the game with. Hopefully you can see up here, this is the frames per second. I have to warn you that I'm not very good at these kind of games. It's been a long time since I've played first-person shooters. Seems to be quite laggy. I will go back and have a look at my temperatures on HW info. Just monitoring the temps. As you can see, it's not very playable. The frame rate is tipping up and down, but it seems to be in the mid-teens. Not as smooth as the Teclast X98 Air or the Onda V919. Finding it very laggy actually, to be honest. Perhaps there's too much going on, but it's running at 1280 by 800. I'll just show you the settings. So full screen. It's the resolution there, advanced video. Everything's set on low. Even the mouse pointer is quite slow. So everything's on normal and lower settings here. Maybe, I think it's probably throttling. Could be the reason the frame rate is not as good as those other tablets I've tested with the same Atom Z3736F with a boost speed of 2.16 gigahertz. Yeah, that's extremely laggy. Six frames per second there. So have a look at the temperatures. There's a warm summer's day here too, and it got up to 70 8.8, that's quite warm. And you can definitely feel that on the back, just right here in this area. Seems to be very warm. Okay, screen's gone off. Must have tipped it, there we go. So there are the temperatures. The camera will focus properly. There we go. So 78.5. Actually no, 88. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong column. 88 degrees. That's a problem. That's an issue. That's only from a little bit of gaming. So that's a very hot system. If you have a look at my other video I've got on this model, I do have a video where they actually pulled the back off. And you can see the chipset is surrounded by shielding. And there seems to be some thermal pads on there. Perhaps that needs some work. But that to me is too hot. It's way too hot. An Atom chip getting up to 88. That will explain why it's slow. Slower running Modern Warfare 3 because it's throttling. Okay, so that's just a bit of gaming. It runs the drives from the USB 2 port without any issues. Battery life 5 to 6 hours. Of course, gaming is going to affect that, and your screen brightness. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe. I will have more videos of this tablet. Thanks for watching.